Hey guys, I'm Andy and today we're building a walnut countertop for our new pantry. We started this build with 5/4 rough sawn walnut that are roughly 6 inches wide and 8 feet long. The first step is to get all these milled down to size, so let's do that now. So we ran into a little problem with one of the boards having a bow in it. We don't have a joiner, but I've always been meaning to build one of these board straightening jigs, which is really simple. The jig works by referencing the fence on the table saw and the straight side of the jig to get one straight edge. Once you get that flat edge, you'll see me flip the board over and make the other side parallel. Alright, now that we have all the boards milled to 1 inch thick and we have everything straight, it's time to glue them up. Once the glue dries, we'll get everything cleaned up and start preparing the countertop for finish. We sanded everything to 120 grit and added a chamfer to the front edge, wiped everything down to make it dust free, and now it is time to add the finish. After a couple coats of finish, it's time to install this countertop into our new pantry. We installed these using screws through the top of the cabinets If you haven't seen how we built the rest of the pantry, including these cabinets with adjustable shelves, be sure to watch those videos to see how we did that. This will wrap up the pantry project. It was quite the undertaking, but we couldn't be happier with how it turned out. So that's it for now. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you next time on Building Something.